Hi, and welcome to Phin. Today I'm going to be walking you through how to upload users into Phin with a CSV file. And so first thing you're going to want to do is select users from the left-hand nav menu. And you'll go ahead and select users. It'll take you to the user management page, and you can upload via a CSV there at the top. And then all you would do is upload your file here. It can be one of our sample files that we have there. You can download it and click next. Then you'll go through a matching process for each field. So you'll select the field that you'd like to match. And so in this example, we're going to match the first name field in the CSV. So you go ahead and select the drop-down menu to match the first name column to first name. And so that our system will understand what column is first name. You'll select confirm. And now the first name column is mapped to first. And so you'll go ahead and do this for all of the columns that you'd like to match, as well as any optional fields as well. The only required fields are first name, last name, email, but you can see I have department matched as well, and then click next. And then you can see a summary of what users are going to be imported. And once you're ready to go, you can click next. And then you'll get this confirmation message saying that your users have been uploaded. And then you can see them here, the two users that have been added. They are in Phin, and you are all set. So thank you very much for watching.